the trash bag out of the trash can. Tie the bag. Get a new trash bag. Put the new bag in the trash can. Tie a knot. Take trash bag away. Put bag in dumpster. Close the lid. Let's review. What supplies do you need for this chore? A. Trash bag. B. Window cleaner. C. Dustpan. The correct answer is trash bag. Where should you put the bag of trash? A. In the kitchen. B. On the floor. C. In the dumpster. The correct answer is in the dumpster. How do you close the bag? A. Tie it. B. Glue it. C. Staple it. The correct answer is tie it. What do you put in the empty trash can? A. Stuffing. B. A new trash bag. C. Paper. The correct answer is a new trash bag. When should you take out the trash? A. When the bag is full. B. Once a month. C. After lunch. The correct answer is when the bag is full.